Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a paper folding surprise drawing of a dinosaur. For that I have taken this A4 size sheet, just fold it into half like this, then again fold it in upward direction into half like this. Okay, now let's start drawing. I'm going to draw a dinosaur with big mouth. So just start drawing the dinosaur. Okay, this is the tail of dinosaur. Feet. Draw the hands. And the fingernails. It's a fun art. You can give it to your kids to make, enjoy, create stories about this and make them have fun. Draw the eyes. Okay. Okay, so this is our outer drawing. Now we'll make his big mouth by opening up the paper like this. Just we'll join these two ends to draw his big mouth like this. And we'll show a fire coming out of the mouth of dinosaur. Yeah. Okay, completed. Okay, so our paper folding surprise dinosaur drawing is complete. Now it's time to color it. Let's start coloring. Color the eyes and the mouth. Okay, so we'll do green color in dinosaur. Okay, now color the tongue. Do some yellow in between. So friends, our paper folding surprise drawing is complete. If you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.